Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Trong. Today we will explore the dish steamed chicken with soy sauce. You can cook for guests when they come to your house. Guaranteed not to lose when eating at a restaurant. First, you have to prepare a chicken. The other ingredients are purple garlic and ginger. Served with bok choy. Broth made from pork bones. Has been cooked for about an hour and 20 minutes. Soy sauce sugar card. It will make the chicken color more beautiful. And we use soy sauce to rub evenly on the outside of the chicken skin. Leave it for 5 minutes to let it soak in. Then use a large pan to heat the oil. Fry that chicken until the skin is golden brown. Fried until golden brown is delicious. Chicken, let it be golden brown like this. Then I started flipping over here. Fry the chicken until both sides are golden brown. Flip over and over until golden brown. Then the chicken is done frying, then I take the chicken out. Done. Prepare ginger, shallots, and garlic. We cut the ginger into thin slices. "20 grams ginger, 20 grams garlic, 20 grams of shallots. Prepare to start putting ginger in first. Ginger it, put it in the pan. Add onion. Put garlic in to make it fragrant. Then we put the fried chicken in. Then add 300 milliliters of prepared broth. One cup soy sauce. Stir the water evenly over the chicken. I take the soy sauce. Pour over the chicken to give it some flavor. About 250 grams of rock sugar. Add about 3 tablespoons of good soy sauce. Remember to always pour evenly over the surface of the chicken. Then we start adjusting again. Put on small fire to continue simmering. Wait a moment, we will. Turn the chicken over and over to make it fragrant. Then I take the lid back and wait 5 to 10 minutes. 5-10 minutes already. Next time we turn the chicken over. Turn the chicken over. Then wait until the chicken is tender. Is the finished chicken. It's getting dark. I'm about to turn off the fire. Then open the lid and prepare to take out the chicken. Take the chicken out and set it aside. We prepare to boil the bok choy. Boil in boiling water for 1 minute. Just 1 minute, do not boil too long. Then boil it, then 1 minute time done, then that's it. I started by taking it out and putting it in cold water. Let's arrange the garnish on the plate. Now we chop the stewed chicken and put it on a plate. Hey friend, I try to introduce delicious Chinese food every day. Chinese cuisine is very diverse and always attracts us. So, if you want to see more delicious Chinese dishes, remember to subscribe to the channel and like it. Your encouragement motivates me a lot every day. We decorate and put the chicken on the plate to make it look nice. Then we pour the remaining chicken stew sauce in the pan onto the chicken dish. That's it. Let's serve the food to the guests. So we have finished making delicious soy sauce braised chicken to treat guests to our house. Please leave your comments in the comment section for further feedback. And remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for everyone's attention and support. See you all at the next dish. Goodbye, everyone.